Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to put your contact information on your lock screen. Now, why would you want to do something like that? If you have a medical condition, or maybe if you lost your cell phone, maybe you'd like to put your office number on it. Maybe you'd like to put your significant other's phone number on the lock screen. So if someone picks it up, they might call it and then they'll know that you lost your cell phone. But anyway, so this is how you do it. We're going to go to settings, scroll down to lock screen. Every phone is going to be slightly different, but I think you're going to find something called lock screen. And then you're going to get down in here and hit edit lock screen. So then we'll see something like this, contact information. You could put phone number or email address. Like I said, I'll put 5555, right? So there you go, and it'll show up just like that. Or if I wanted to change it, I'm going to click it again, and I will put an email. Okay, just like that. And it'll show up right there at the bottom. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below.